Hello everybody. As you can see, this is my multi-adapter accessory by Engduro, and here I got an extra 13mm adapter which I use for oil change, and all the bits are in this little bag by Rolling Mavericks, and where I keep all the adapters similar to these ones for screws and everything. Well, I've been using the Engduro accessory quite a lot in my African trip. I've done already 20,000 kilometers, and I can say that it's extremely useful, and I wouldn't do without it. It's so light, and I keep it in my little tank bag, so I have it handy at any time, and I would highly recommend it to everybody. Okay, thank you.